Friends, you know that friction when you already understand what needs to be built, but you still have to slow down and explain it. Not because the task is hard, but because the tool expects narration instead of action. I want to show you how rocket.new handles this problem with its command-driven approach. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll walk you through how it works and what makes it different. You'll see why it might be perfect if you want clarity and speed without the usual back and forth. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Folks, rocket.new is an AI building platform created for moments when speed and accuracy matter equally. It is designed for anyone who thinks in outcomes and wants their tools to keep up. Precision mode sits at the center of that idea. Instead of prompting or explaining context, you work through commands written in plain English. Each of them represents a specific action and is executed exactly as intended. They are not shortcuts or templates, but structured instructions that remove ambiguity from the process. When you use a slash or an at, the system already knows what outcome to deliver. There is no need for retries or adjustments. Mates, this approach changes how workflows feel. Tasks that usually stretch into long sessions are compressed into a few deliberate steps. What once took half an hour can now be completed in minutes because the system responds to direction, not interpretation. Rocket.new supports real product building, not isolated experiments. Commands work across features and integrations, allowing design, logic, data, and deployment to move forward together. The AI stays aligned with the structure of the project instead of drifting between ideas. Over time, this creates a more professional rhythm. You focus on sequencing actions and shaping the product, while the platform handles execution with consistency. Precision mode turns artificial intelligence from a conversational assistant into a controllable building environment. Friends, we start on the rocket.new homepage, and the first impression already sets expectations. Everything you see points toward real production work. Frameworks, integrations, and design imports are presented as equal building blocks, already positioned to work together. Nothing demands setup right away. There is no pressure to choose options or define structure. The process starts with a single idea, expressed in one short sentence: a website for a community-focused space. That sentence does not describe layout, design, or functionality. It simply defines purpose. Rocket.new treats that purpose seriously. Before generating anything, the platform analyzes the request and asks for light clarification. It asks us to select screens we want to build from the suggested list. Let's keep everything and proceed. Folks, once the intent is confirmed, the technical foundation quietly falls into place. The tool takes ownership of structure. It decides how the website should be assembled and begins writing the code live. This part is fully visible, and that visibility builds trust. You are not waiting behind a loading screen, you are watching the product form in real time. When the preview becomes available, the site already feels complete. Mates, we can shift it smoothly from desktop to mobile layout. In full screen view, the structure's depth becomes fully apparent. A strong opening sets the tone, followed by creative areas that establish personality and showcases that add substance. Pricing introduces direction, while interactive elements drive engagement, all supported by clear, contextual sections. All of this emerges from a single sentence, without micromanagement. At the same time, nothing is fixed or locked in place. Every part of the website remains open to refinement. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, this is where precision mode changes the dynamic completely. Instead of switching to manual edits or rewriting long instructions, interaction shifts to commands. One simple slash opens a panel of structured actions. Each command represents a specific, well-defined operation. There is no need to explain what should happen or why. You simply point to the exact element and issue direction. Changing the project name updates identity instantly and consistently. Replacing the logo synchronizes branding across the entire site without extra steps. Let's try, for instance, to change a specific element. Printmaking lab to digital print atelier. Friends, the update happens not only in the visible heading, but also inside the section content itself, keeping everything aligned without breaking structure. After that, quick fixes come into focus as a supporting layer rather than a requirement. The panel offers options to resolve common issues like navigation inconsistencies, layout organization, or theme switching, but nothing feels off at this stage. The website holds together well, so no fixes are applied, and the workflow moves on without interruption. But what needs a quick update is the hero section. One line of text lacks contrast and feels lost against the background. Using update content, the platform adjusts the visual balance in a single step by darkening the background and adding subtle shadow depth. The text shifts to white, so readability improves immediately, and the message finally stands out the way it should. Folks, as the site matures, Rocket.new naturally expands beyond visuals. Animations and transitions can add movement without overwhelming the structure. AI-driven features extend the experience further. You can generate new images directly within your existing layout, and all subsequent suggestions are based on the design you've already built. Integrations deepen the product without breaking flow. Messaging, analytics, and automation connect as part of the same environment. Enabling an AI chatbot involves selecting a language model and completing a guided setup. Even advanced capabilities feel approachable, because they follow the same structured logic. Using commands, you can target specific folders for more precise updates. For example, I want to integrate a live event countdown and a capture form for notifications updates. The website adapts logically, and the notification sign-up area appears right where it belongs. Mates, let's refine it further by connecting Twilio. We set the trigger in action and fill the form. The integration completes successfully, and the system is now ready to send messages. Next up, we add Supabase, and the setup is done. The relevant section updates automatically into a cleaner, more functional layout. Throughout the entire process, Precision Mode keeps control at the center. There is no need to adapt language, rephrase intent, or negotiate outcomes. Each decision leads directly to execution. The platform keeps pace with thought instead of slowing it down. By the end, what you are left with is not just a finished website, but a clear sense of authorship. Alright guys, let's wrap it up. If you have ever felt like building something real with the intelligence meant constantly explaining, adjusting, and waiting, rocket.new offers a different path. You move from idea to interface using clear, structured commands. The platform removes the back and forth and focuses on execution, so you spend less time describing what you want and more time shaping it. What we just walked through, from a single sentence to a fully built, integrated website, shows how this approach actually works. It's built for clarity, control, and momentum. Friends, if you're tired of tools that require narration instead of action, rocket.new might be exactly what you've been looking for. You can start with free tokens on sign-up. Now I'm curious, where in your workflow would this command-driven approach save you the most time and frustration? Let me know in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.